Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the Hotspot supports a redirect or captive portal. This determines whether you embed Wi-Fi credentials or a landing URL. Once confirmed, log into the Hotspot admin panel with your credentials and note SSID, security type, and password. Meanwhile, pick a QR generator that can encode Wi-Fi or a short URL. This matters because some scanners auto-join networks while others open a page. Make sure to test basic connectivity before proceeding to configuration. Next, create or confirm your landing experience. Host a simple HTTPS page that instructs users, or use the Hotspot's captive portal URL so devices authenticate automatically. Once the landing mechanism is ready, construct the QR payload, either Wi-Fi format, Wi-Fi, TWPA, S, SSID, P, password, or a short HTTPS redirect to the portal. Choose error correction level M or Q to tolerate wear. Then generate the image, export as PNG or SVG, and verify the encoded text matches exactly. Finally, place the QR in the intended location with high contrast and at least a 1/2 inch quiet zone. Print quality matters. Test on multiple devices. On iOS, the camera should detect Wi-Fi or open the landing page. On Android, verify scanner behavior and auto-join. If users cannot connect, recheck the SSID spelling, security type, and password. Make sure the Hotspot's captive portal is enabled and HTTPS works. One tip: temporarily lower QR error correction if scanning fails due to dense.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.